guys. Now this is the Grind to Champs with Rainy part 2. Rainy, got anything to say?
I'm better than BoaFan.
Also, go subscribe to him.
Link will be in description.
The link in the description.
Just go follow my Twitch, TTV. My name's Rainy, or just my name's Rainy, since it's already on Twitch. I will greatly.
But yeah.
And on my YouTube, go
Thanks
XX Spot
and
TTV.
yeah, see you guys when we get into a fight.
Shoot.
All I've got is a blue pump.
We should have
100 on the Galaxy skin. Go for Galaxy skin.
I'm trying, but you're in the way.
30 on the other one.
I thought you said Galaxy skin is low.
100. Dead.
Okay, break it down. Okay, this scope AR is actually good. Oh, I think Team 64 has
Okay, calm down. Calm down.
No, wait, calm down. Oh, man.
Cracked him, 33.
Go finish. Behind you. I cracked that soccer skin, like, a lot, but she may have healed. 2 more other people at
She was one shot. She was running out.
Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Yes, today we'll be playing
I tagged him
Champs with Rainy.
25. Maybe go rush that.
No, but we die because he heals by now, and his teammate is there. They've got better loot than us, and we die. I just don't have a shotgun. If I have a shotgun, we can rush. I don't care.
Yeah, these? Oh no.
Alright. Yeah, the shambles. Who shambles? Oh wait. Okay. Yeah, I get it.
Okay, we can.
Oh yeah, right here. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Knocked. I can go for the finish.
I'm in the
Go
car.
for the finish. Go shoot. I'm coming now. You can easily get him.
He's got a spaz. Dead.
Nice.
Okay, guys.
Imagine like.
Rainy's, you know, I'm rebooting Rainy because like he's bad and he died.
You're getting.
Rainy died off spawn.
Still hurry up.
Then they have to be Yellow House. Yeah.
Right here. You want to? Oh, Knockout's crap.
In our house, bro. I'm getting
I
shot
can't.
from the side.
I'm getting knockouts. I need help. Oh, both of them. They're both knockouts. I cracked it with like absolutely dope all the way. Leave. There's multiple people. Go, just leave. Just hide it. Go, leave. There's so many people. Now hide there. Go. Just keep going. There's so many people. I absolutely dark water on one of the knockouts.
I killed one of the knockouts.
Nice. Was he low? Like, was he one tap?
No.
Okay. Well then. Just wait. You got.
Such an idiot. Did you see him looking at me?
Yeah. Don't shoot! You've only got this. Stop! Don't stop! Yeah, nice one, Bo.
I cracked him.
Okay, get the finish. There's a hole. Wait, let him. Oh wait, you killed him. Go, just spray. Go, pickaxe and spray. He's healing. Oh my gosh. On me. And I'm dead again. Oh, he's in the car. Oh, he's cracked. The guy on me has no shield, but he's about to get me. He's shaking. So just break into the box. He's got no shield before he finishes. He finished.
Nudge you.
They're actually nice. They're like at the tree. Oh, hit him 37 shield. Right there.
Drop down to me. No.
Oh, his teammate's right there too. Bad idea.
31 on his teammate. Behind you.
Oh, he's cracked. He's shaking me. Nice. And that guy's cracked. He's right there. He's coming to me. He's getting the finish. Go. Block me off. He's right there. Okay, quickly, run. There's people right here. Careful.
No, the dude on top of the building is white.
There's people right here. Like on me.
The dude on top of the building is so low.
Come up here. Come down here. Oh wait. I'm not with you. Oh wait, I can get him. Got him.
He's in. I'm one shot. Big one shot. Go, Rainy. Go, quick. Now we can pass.
Where's the pad?
Right here. Wait.
Oh, I just hit the right person. So.
You're great.
It's like in this building. They're both in this building. But, yeah.
Yep,
they're
right
both-
there, Ferrari skin.
Come in.
17.
Dead. Okay, guys, that was the video. Please like, subscribe, hit that little bell. I know you see it. It's very cute. And
Well, guys,
goodbye.
that is Rainy talking, but pretty much what Rainy said. Last video, we forgot to do an outro.
Go follow TTV. My name's Rainy on Twitch.
I'll also
And
link in the
XX bot
description
TTV
as
as
the
the YouTube
other
channel.
video. And go check out my Twitch, OCBM999. I'm
And
changing
if-
that to Boafin, by the way, because it's a cringe name. But yeah, well, pretty much we're Division 5 because we only need 10 more. In 2 days, we got Division 5. We're getting to champs. And this has been part 2 or 3 of getting to champs.
It hasn't even been 24 hours though, and we've
Part
already
2
got the
of getting to champs. And yeah, hope you guys enjoy.